Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first place we have pictures as preview option, so our mirror effect. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And we have also short info from the device that this saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. So remember that to use this correctly you have to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.